Hi students, we are learning in last lecture what are halogens and what is derivative. Today we are learn about halogen derivatives. Define halogen derivatives किंवा what are halogen derivatives. The derivative of aliphatic and aromatic hydrocarbon in which one or more hydrogen atom is replaced by one or more halogen atom is called as halogen derivatives. These halogen derivatives are classified into two ways. These halogen derivatives are classified into two ways. On the basis of, first one is the on the basis of hydrocarbon. It means structure of hydrocarbon. And second one is the on the basis of number of halogen atom. We can see first one is the on the basis of hydrocarbon. These are also classified with the following classes. First one is the haloalkanes, second haloalkenes, third is the haloalkynes, and fourth is the haloarenes. We can see first haloalkanes. In these haloalkanes, the alkane in which hydrogen atom is replaced by one or more halogen atom is called as haloalkanes. Example is the CH3CH2X. These haloalkanes further classified into following classes. These are also called as alkyl halide or monohalogen derivatives, which are classified as follow: primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, and tertiary alkyl halide. In this primary alkyl halide, halogen atom is attached to the primary carbon atom. Halogen atom is attached to the primary carbon atom. In 11th standard, we have studied what is primary carbon atom. The carbon atom which is attached to the another one carbon atom is called as primary carbon atom. What is secondary carbon atom? The secondary carbon atom is called as the carbon atom which is attached to the another two carbon atom is called as secondary carbon atom. And tertiary carbon atom, the carbon atom which is attached to the another three carbon atom called as tertiary carbon atom. Mean in these haloalkanes which are classified into following classes: primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide मध्ये the halogen atom is attached to the primary carbon atom is called as primary alkyl halide. For example, CH3CH2X. In this example, ethyl halide, halogen atom is attached to the primary carbon atom. Next, secondary alkyl halide. In secondary alkyl halide, halogen atom is attached to the secondary carbon atom. Halogen atom is attached to the secondary carbon atom. For example, isopropyl halide. And third one is the tertiary alkyl halide. Halogen atom is attached to the tertiary carbon atom. In this tertiary alkyl halide, halogen atom is attached to that carbon atom which is attached to another three carbon atoms. Next one is the haloalkenes. The alkene in which one hydrogen atom is replaced by one halogen atom is called as haloalkenes. For example, CH2 double bond CHX. These are also classified into allyl halide, benzyl halide, phenyl halide. In this allyl halide, halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to the carbon-carbon double bond. In this allyl halide, halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to the carbon-carbon double bond. In case of sp3 hybridized carbon atom, we know that carbon-carbon single bond is the sp3 hybridized. In benzyl halide, halogen atom is attached to also sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to the aromatic ring called as benzyl halide. Halide means maybe chloride, bromide or iodide. In phenyl halide, halogen atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom next to the double bond. In this phenyl halide, halogen atom is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Third one is the haloalkynes. In alkyne in which hydrogen atom is replaced by halogen atom called as haloalkynes. Example is the ethyl halide. halide किंवा इथिलीन halide. Haloarenes. Haloarenes, the aromatic hydrocarbon in which hydrogen atom is replaced by halogen atom, called as haloarenes. And second classification on the basis of halogen atom, it is classified into monohalogen derivatives, dihalogen derivatives, trihalogen derivatives, and polyhalogen derivatives. In monohalogen derivatives, one hydrogen atom is replaced by one halogen atom in alkanes and arenes. In monohalogen derivatives, one hydrogen atom is replaced by one halogen atom in alkanes and arenes. In case of dihalogen derivatives, two hydrogen atom is replaced by two halogen atom in case of alkane and arenes. In case of trihalogen derivatives, three hydrogen atom is replaced by three halogen atom in case of alkane and arenes. And in case of polyhalogen derivatives, more than three hydrogen atom is replaced by more than three halogen atom is called as polyhalogen derivative.